Today I'm going to show you how to create a half photo text effect using Canva. Okay, let's start. Go to your Canva application. I'm using desktop right now. You can also use mobile or tablet. And create a blank page like this one. So go to create, click on create, and you can select a ready-made template here. Okay, just select the one that you want, and as soon as you selected the one that you want, then it will give you a blank template like this. So I'm going to use this one, the landscape. Then go to upload. Upload the photo that you want to use in your project. So for me, I'm going to use this one and resize the photo. Let's just resize the photo. Okay. Go to element, select shape, okay, and resize this shape. Make sure that you want to cover some part of your project, and change this one to black. Okay, now let's add some text. And since we want to show the box of coffee that the lady is holding, let's type in there first help. First help. Okay, let's change the font to Anton. First help. Change the size. Make sure that it will at least cover some part of the picture. Okay, then let's put another font, another text. First help 8 and 1. Okay, let's change the font. Let's make the font uniform. Let's make it bigger. There, I think it's okay. And then let's type coffee. Let's change the font. And let's make it bigger. Alright. And let's adjust. Oops. Let's put this here. Let's put this here, and this first help, I think we can still make the size of this one bigger. Or I think let's just do something like this one. Alright. Let's make it even more bigger. Okay. Now let's duplicate this black shape. Just to duplicate this black shape, right click and then click duplicate. And then make sure that you will cover the other part of the photo. Okay. And change this part to white. Okay. Right. Okay, so next is click this 3 dot and click on layer. Okay. Click on show layers, and this white part, this one, move it near the black layer or above the black layer, and you will get something like this. Okay, next is you have to download. Okay, let's download it. Alright. Okay, make it PNG for clearer picture. Delete this. Delete everything. And let's just leave the first picture that we have. Okay, now let's upload again the one that you just created earlier. Right there, and go to apps and look for blend image. There, blend image. Now, as soon as you have this, what we call blend image, click this image and click on top layer, use selected image, and then go to this image, and then go to bottom layer, use selected image, and make sure that you select screen. There, as soon as you selected the screen, you will have a project like this. Then, since you're finished, add to design and remove all the unnecessary photo. So just resize the photo, or you can just click on these three dots and set as image background. Okay, if you're satisfied with your project, all you have to do is download it and make sure that it is in PNG for a clearer picture. You will have something like this. This is our finished product. So if you want to know more tutorials, you can just hit subscribe and share this video to others.